Shinwa?
Yes, I was chatting with Chang Abi Maranyo nga before the game. Sabi ko, mapapagalaw kayo nito ni Kobe Shinwa with their, fast reaction time talaga.
There's that dig. Deloria getting the start as well for Cheritigo. Playing really good floor coverage lately. There's that soft touch. And a free ball. Let's see what Furuta does. Going to that left pin. And first point will go to Kobe.
Alam natin yung depensa. Both teams are really defensive teams.
Grabe din tong Kobe Shinwa, no, Phil, because they're not the tallest team. You look at their height, not a lot of 6-footers, but they make plays just like what we saw.
And they know that sharp drop balls here kay Kobe Shinwa.
We saw that in the last two games. Big wins. Their last two against Creamline and Signal. Swipe. Good dig by Deloria. But another free ball given. Furuka will set to her middle, and Yamano will score.
Ngayon yung nagamit ni Kobe Shinwa. And it's part of their game plan because they know they're not the tallest team in this invitational. Kaya they're banking on their speed compared to power spikes.
And their grit on that floor defense, but Aimee Hernandez gives the crossovers their first point.
Oh, nice pass.
Straight to the middle again, and that is inside.
Another si Kobe Shinwa. Sure na makaka-first attack sila. Oh.
But right now, it's Aimee Hernandez.
2 points for her.
Trap serve for Robles. Kneeling set to the opposite side. How about that?
Yes, again, it wasn't the most
Tasa
powerful.
ng roles ang bawat isa para mag-adjust sa Japan. Kaya ngayon ready na daw sila sa mahaba-habang mga rally for today. Now let's see how effective they will be. Back to set 1.
Yes, Alexis, we can expect those rallies. That's the back set. Galang breaking the barrier.
And I think Galang of Japan.
Dump down. Nierva chasing. Chance ball. Furuta, the set. And a swing by Kokoro Yasuma.
Bitin. Nasa 2 lang na place. Hindi niya dinudulo. So that's why super right angle there versus kay Jen Nierva. Mga 2.
The slide. Red by Ces Robles. Sharp serve for Chang Abi. Not to the open. Oh, hello! What a move by Komatsuda.
But did you see how yung off din yung set for her?
Tsaka fading to the left pa yun.
Off, may fade away.
In the meantime, Komatsuda again. Straight to Galang's hands. Nabor will bump it. Another free ball here for Kobe. Combination play. Adjustment. Komatsuda rolls. Nabor this time. Back row. Galang will score.
Galang from the back row.
Ito nga sinasabi ni...
Ooh. And a service ace for Jazz Nabor. We are tied at 11 now.
Kanina nga report ni Alexis na they're gonna keep their blocks low. Kasi magaling magpa-block touch itong si Kobe Shinwa.
Pancake save by Nierva, but not enough touches left. Good first ball. And that is the result. Aimee Hernandez with 3 points in the game.
I'm sure Aimee Hernandez is taller than the middle blocker of Kobe Shinwa.
Exactly what you said. Nata-challenge na yung receiving dito ng Kobe. Combination play for Araji. Rhythm for Cheritigo. Another great serve.
Oh!
Naiangat. And the cross scored is good for Kokoro Yasuma. Rhythm for Cheritigo. Another great serve.
Oh!
Naiangat. And the cross scored is good for Kokoro Yasuma.
Spikes niya, tina-timing eh. Na kung alam niya may butas yung block, papalo siya. Kung wala, magda-drop ball siya.
5'4" opposite hitter.
And she's also one of the...
Jaime Hernandez, another point. She's been on fire, but this is our second technical timeout. Slowly, we're seeing the Aimee, UST Aimee, the peak, but point there for Kobe Shinwa.
Talaga eh.
Ishikawa now serving. That play has been working.
Yes. The middle block touches and points here in this set number 1 pala. Kasi I think matangkad din naman yung middle blocker si Cherry Tigo.
They will improvise.
Wow.
Good rejection. Another good save. No whistle, still good. Labor, slide.
Oh.
Chang Abby at her best.
Skunk and fire. Andiyan pa rin eh.
3-point lead. Galang was prepared from the pipe. Robles na iangat ni Ishikawa. Yasuma, Nierva reading that cross this time. But Miyazaki was there with quick reflexes. Furuta, adjustment mid-air for Miyazaki. Free ball. Furuta, the setup. Push. Good chase. Off speed. Komatsuda was red. Back row Yasuma. Abby Maraño not giving an inch. That one breaking the block.
Oh.
Good rally we had there.
Yes. And it's so fast. Ang bilis.
Service ace for Hashimoto. Lead down to 1 for Cherry Tigo. Bump set for Robles from the left pin. Nabor. High above the net. Nabor.
Oh.
That's a veteran move for Jazz Nabor.
And kilala na attacking setter na if she has a chance, she's gonna be aggressive in front of the net. Perfect placement.
Balance din yung scoring nila right now. And right now, the lead is down to 1.
22 serving, 20 serving, Jasmine Labor.
Oh,
Ooh.
Jen Nierva not giving any inch as Galang scores on the cross court.
Galang of the 21 serving, 23.
Matsuda to serve. Good first pass by Jen.
More.
Galang. Yamano cross. Nierva was challenged. Chance here for Kobe. Back to the right pin. Galang na naman! And we arrive at set point.
Down the line.
Parang si Ara Galang, veteran na siya, but for me, she's still, young.
Buhay pa rin. Big opportunity here. And Deloria with the finisher.